Now children, let's study with chapter number 2, that is our houses. So we all need house. Why do we need house? A house, we need house to live. And house is necessary as it protects us from heat, cold, rain and wild animals. So we feel how comfortable and safe in our, not all of us live in a same house, हम different types of house में रहते हैं. House basically there are of two types, कच्चा house and पक्का. So let's study about the houses. So we make house according to the what? According to our needs, हमारा budget, climatic condition देख के और family environment देख के. So here are some places you can find. We have कच्चा and पक्का houses. Houses are mainly of two types. Houses दो type के होते हैं, कच्चा house and पक्का house. So kacha houses is also called huts. So they are mostly seen in villages. A kacha house is made up of mud, thatch, bamboo, straw. So these are not very strong and cannot withstand the harsh weather condition. So they need to be repaired. आप इनको repair करोगे, rebuild करते हो, right, in every season. No costly material is used in the construction of these houses. So the pakka houses, what are they made up of? They are made up of mud, strong. Pakka houses are the houses that are strong and durable material. यहाँ पे हम iron का use करते हैं, cement, bricks, steel, right? All these are it. ये permanent होते हैं, expensive होते हैं. They do not need timely repairment, right? ये बहुत time तक आप ये ऐसे ही रहते हैं. In cities, almost all houses are पक्का house. अगर हम cities की बात करें तो basically जितने भी houses होते हैं वो पक्का houses होते हैं. Then we have multi-story building. Many people live in metro cities like Delhi, Bangalore, Kolkata, Mumbai. We see number of tall multi-story building in cities. These buildings have many store and single story called flat. People use lifts to go up and down. There are families living in a single multi-storied apartment. Because of growing population बढ़ने की वजह से और less availability of space, people started building what? Multi-story building. लोगों ने multi-story building बनाना start कर दिया. Slums. In some cities, there are large areas which the living condition is very poor. Here the buildings and homes are very dirty and they have not been repaired for long time. और बहुत लंबे time से ये repair भी नहीं हुए. Extremely poor people find their living here and there. Very crowded. Poor sanitation, no facilities, proper washroom, no sufficient supply of water. What are these? These are some drawbacks. ये कुछ drawbacks हैं जो हमें slums में देखने को मिलती है. And because of this poor sanitary condition, जो slums हैं, वो breeding centers बन रहे हैं diseases के. लोगों को यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा disease होती है. In the country, big cities have slum. Roof of the houses. So the roof of the houses can be flat or sloping. People living in plains and dry area make houses with flat roof. Duplex houses, bungalow or apartment building have flat roof. People living in mountains, जो लोग mountains में रह रहे हैं, they have houses with sloping roof, so that snow can slide off easily. People living in places where rains lot have house built on high bamboo poles, these are stilt कहते हैं, and they are called stilt house. Kamala Nehru Park in Mumbai, ये भी house है which is built on the shape of like shoe. ठीक है, shoe की shape का. There are many people who are involved in making a house. Let's study about these people one by one. Firstly, we have architect whose work is to design the house. Then we have mason whose work is to lay the bricks. Then we have plumber whose work is to fit pipes and taps inside the house. Then we have carpenter who makes door, windows and wooden furniture of the house. Electrician who do all the electrical fittings of light, fans, switches, plugs, etc. Then we have painter whose work is to paint walls, doors, windows. So let's study about a good house. What is a good house? A good house can be small or big, but it should be well clean. देखो, अच्छा house अच्छे से planned होना चाहिए. बड़ा भी होता है, छोटा भी होता है. A well planned house is comfortable house. So following are some of the features. Good house should have area and properly ventilated. It should have sufficient doors and windows. Sufficient side light should enter the house to keep the germ free. A good house should have proper sanitation facility. It should be clean and dirty. ये clean होना चाहिए and tidy भी होना चाहिए. Right? So we should keep our house clean and tidy. We all need to help our parents in keeping the house clean. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.